Okay folks, so what I'm going to do here is attempt to do a quick review of the leaked gingerbread update for the Samsung Captivate from AT&T. This is the 2.3.3 gingerbread update, and there are some minor differences from Froyo. Overall nothing major, but I'll show you guys the differences. Okay, so you can see we still have the glass lock screen. That hasn't changed. They haven't really given us any options for changing the lock screen. It's still swipe to open. The first thing I noticed that was different was the pull down notification bar. Well, let me get this just right, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so here you can see we have 5 icons. We have screen rotation, flight mode, GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The newest addition is the flight mode that wasn't there before. Okay, I just turned on the brightness on the screen. It seems to be a little better now. So as I was saying before, the newest addition is the flight mode that wasn't there before. So you toggle that just to turn flight mode on and off. I would have preferred to have seen something else there, maybe a silent option, but hey, it works. Okay, the next thing I noticed was in the settings, you have where you have your Wi-Fi, wireless and network, it now gives you the option for tethering on portable hotspot, and right there it tells you, maybe you guys can't read it, this camera isn't focusing properly, but it's saying a tethering mobile hotspot plan is required to use this service. However, there is a way around it, and all you have to do is when you install this ROM, if you root it, you can go into the system app folder, and there is a file in there called tethering manager. All you have to do is delete it, and you'll be able to tether without upgrading your plan to a tethering plan. So I did that, and that works fine. Okay, let's go to the about phone. So here we have the about phone, and there you can see it's firmware version 2.3.3 and baseband version is KF1. That's the 2.3.3 update. Okay, the next thing I noticed was in the locale and text, you have the Android keyboard, Samsung keypad, and swipe. I'm not sure if that was in 2.2. It could have been, but maybe I'm wrong, I'm not sure. Okay, so the next thing I noticed was in applications, it now natively allows you to sideload pretty much or install non-market applications. As you can see, I have it checked, and that will allow you to install non-market applications straight off the bat. No longer would you have to use a sideload on the machine, or you don't have to root your ROM anymore. So that's good. Okay, the next thing I noticed, which they did not fix and I was hoping to see it, was in the sound volume. You still can't tie in your notifications and your phone ringtone, so they're still independent. I was hoping that they would have made it so you could have both of them at the same settings, but they didn't. That's about all the major differences I see. I mean, it runs pretty smooth. as far as I can tell. You know, the swiping works fine, everything's smooth. I haven't seen any lag or any slowdown or anything like that. I'm just going to run a quick Quadrant and a quick Linpack just to give you guys some baseline numbers. Just let me go ahead and clear everything from the task manager. So clear all the memory and close all the active applications. Okay, there are none. Okay, so let's go for a Linpack. And on Linpack, where is it? I thought I had it installed. Okay, let's do a Quadrant. Here we go, Quadrant. Okay, run full benchmark. And remember guys, this is basically stock 2.3.3. it is rooted, but there's no lag fix or anything like that installed, as one is not yet available for it. I'll put the link where you can find the ROM and how to root it on XDA developers. I'll put a link in the description for those who want to try it. It's a really easy process. I had no issues doing it. Just put your phone into download mode, use Odin to flash, and after you flash the ROM, you use Odin 2 more times to root it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I'm just waiting for Quadrant to finish up here. And click yes. And I don't know if you guys can see that. That is 976. So it's right around where it was, or maybe a little bit higher than Froyo, but not much. Okay, let's go run Linpack. Okay, so here we have Linpack. Let's run it and see what numbers we get. Okay, so we got 17.4. That's pretty good. I remember from Froyo we were averaging around 13, 14. Let's run it again and see what we come up with. Okay, 17.7. So there is I would say a pretty significant increase in Linpack scores going into gingerbread from Froyo. Alright guys, if there's anything else you want to know about it, just leave a comment, ask me a question. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.